To be honest, I'm an animal lover person. Even I have two pets. But the most fascinating animal I have seen in my life, it was a cat. So it was approximately about 4 months ago when I first met with that cat. I still remember the moment because it has a very cute, adorable story behind it. So I'll share it with you. So 4 months ago, I went to my college for any kind of reason, and abruptly at that moment, I saw a cat near to the road, and it was very sorrowful that that cat was hit by a car and his condition was very bad at that moment. So I was very apprehensive at that moment, and that place were so much deafening, and I didn't even realize what should I do at that moment. But I was finally able to took that cat to the hospital. The doctor said to me that it is quite impossible to save that cat, but still I stand there for almost 1.5 hours just to wait for the doctor. But the finally doctor came and said that it was a miracle that we can able to save that cat. And I was very ecstatic at that moment. Even I didn't know that cat before. For the first time we have met, and I felt so much connected with him. So yeah, that moment was very special for me, and I'm sure that I'm never gonna forget that moment ever. And and after that I took that cat to my home, and it became my one of my very favorite pet. And from last 4 months, that cat is still with me, and I named his as a Pinky. And my cat is very cute and very adorable. Even I have a very good bonding with him. And whenever I came home from outside, he always run over me and shown his love. So yeah, I think animal are such a things which can very easily connected with people, and they are very innocent, and that is the reason maybe I can easily connected with animal. And I have a very weak feelings for them. So yeah, that's all.